Hello friends, it's Paul here and welcome back to another video where I'm going to be showing you how to set up and use Blue Willow AI Art Generator on your Android device. This is yet another amazing and free AI art generator, and in case you are looking for a free alternative AI art generator for Midjourney AI, then trust me guys when I say this is currently the best one. Now setting it up is pretty simple as you're going to be seeing in this video, but of course first of all, make sure you have Discord installed on your Android phone. Now, in case you don't have Discord installed on your phone, go to the Play Store and search for Discord and go ahead and install this on your phone. Now, it would also be better if you go ahead and create your own personal server, as we're going to be using it in this video. Also, in case you don't know how, I made a video about that and I'm going to be leaving its link in the video description below. Okay, so now for the setup process, the first thing you're going to do is go to your browser, any browser of your choice. And then here you're going to be searching for Blue Willow. So go to your browser and search for Blue Willow. And after that, as you can see, the Blue Willow AI website is going to appear. It should be the first result you're going to get. So simply go ahead and open this website. And then here, as you can see, the website is pretty simple. In case you've ever used something like Midjourney, then I'm pretty sure you're familiar to this. So simply go ahead and tap on the join the beta. So tap on it. And in case you have Discord already installed on your phone, this option is going to redirect you to your Discord. And as you can see, this was an invite to join the Blue Willow AI Discord server. So simply go ahead and accept this invite. And as simple as this, you will have joined the Blue Willow AI Discord server and you can start creating your images. Now, of course, to create an image, it is pretty simple. All you have to do is go into options here. Then as you can see on this server, of course, there are lots of options which I believe you'll go through on your own. But to create an image, go to this section that has low keys. As you can see, there is low key 16 up to low key 22. So just select any page that has low keys. So tap on low keys. And as you can see, you already even start seeing the images that have been created by the other people using this Blue Willow AI. These are pretty amazing images, and of course in my future videos I'll be showing you how to make the best prompts so that you can create such amazing images. Now the issue of using these rocky servers is that if you create an image, it's going to be mixed up with these other people's images and it might be hard for you to find them. As you can see right now, I have around 34 messages and they are increasing. Now imagine if you're creating your own image, so that means it will be mixed up within these other images. Now to solve this, what you have to do is simply go ahead and look for a message that has a Blue Willow bot. As you can see, for instance, this one right here. So you can search through the chat until you get one that has the Blue Willow bot, right? It's right here. Now what you're going to do is make sure you have your own personal server installed on Discord, right? So you have a personal server, then you look for a message that has this Blue Willow bot. So simply go ahead and tap on the Blue Willow bot icon, tap on it, and as you can see, there will appear an option of add to server. So simply go ahead and tap on that option, add to server, tap on it. And as you can see, a new page is going to come up. So simply go to add to server, tap on it. And if you already have your own personal servers created, they will appear here. So for instance, mine are already here. Tap on the server that you want. Let me select Paul the tech guy. Tap on it, then select continue, then authorize. Right, so it has been added. Simply go ahead and cross, then you go to options, then select your server. Mine is here. Let me select it. And after selecting your server, you can go to any of these channels. Let me select, for instance, the text channel with the hashtag blue. So tap on it. Right, so I'm now in my server, and if you remember, we added the Blue Willow bot to this server, right? So to create an image, you simply, as you can do, for instance, with Midjourney AI, simply select this /, then / imagine, and as we have seen, Blue Willow has appeared, the Blue Willow bot, right? Select the bot, and then here, it's where you're going to put the prompt that you want, right? So I'm going to put a simple prompt that you are going to be using just for this video, right? This is my prompt, and what you're going to do next is send as if it's a message. Like I said, this is free, so don't worry about the number of prompts you're going to be using, right? So simply send this message, and as you can see, they will send you this message. You can simply go ahead and dismiss it now. And like Midjourney with Blue Willow, you won't get like something that is showing you that the image is being processed. You simply have to be patient, and in less than a minute you will get your result. So let us wait for the result also.
10 seconds later.
Alright guys, as you can see, this is our result. A handsome black cartoon character. This is what has been generated with Blue Willow AI. Now, like I've said, this is similar to Midjourney. So as you can see down here, there's an option of upscale or an option of variations. If you don't know what it means, if you select upscale 1, that means you're going to be increasing the size of image 1. For instance, let me use upscale 3. So tap on U3. That means we are going to be getting a bigger image or bigger version of image 3. So let us wait and get the result. It's right here. As you have seen, this image 3 has been upscaled, or its size has been increased, right? So it's right here. And in case you want to go ahead and download the image, tap on it. Then you go to options. It's up here, top right corner, options. And as you can see, there's an option of save. Tap on it, and this image is going to be downloaded directly to your gallery. As you can see right now, it's being downloaded and the download has been complete. So you can start using this image anywhere that you want, right? Now, apart from that, of course, back here, there are these more options. There is this other option of refresh, which will help you get more results or different results. And of course, like I've said, there's also an option of variations. So if I select like V1, variations for image 1, we're going to be getting image 1 with different variations. So let me select this and we'll wait for the results. Alright, so as you can see, different variations of image 1 have been created. And of course, just like this is how you're able to set up and start using Blue Willow AI on your Android device. Otherwise, in case it's your first time here, of course, don't forget to go ahead and subscribe so that I can get you in the next one. Peace and love.